Hi friends, yummy food, tasty food, world all varieties, yummy, tasty, best foods, colorful, tasty. Everybody like, everybody want good, tasty food. It's yummy, yeah. Wow. Enjoying everyone. This video, this short, yummy food, different types of tasty, yummy food.
Wow, it's yummy food. Wow, yummy, tasty food. Best foods. Wow, tasty. Oh my god, the world famous food. Very tasty. Very cute. Very special. The foods. Tasty foods.
Sympathy of flavors that plate and awaken the sense in the exploration we into the greatness of food tasty uncovering the make delicious source of joy comfort and inspiration of people around the world the power of flavor at the heart of food taste lies the power of flavor blend of sweet sour butter and sensation of across the taste leave a tasting from the delicious balance of herbs and spices to the richness of flavor. One of the greatest aspects of food taste is ability to reflect the rich of culture our world. Every tells a story drawing upon countries of traditions to create dishes that are as unique as the communities that produce them from the fragrance of sweet the different countries different taste food taste is a celebration of heritage identity and shared experience the greatness of food taste is further by the boundless creativity of chefs and home cooks alike who transform humble ingredients into works of culture art through experimentation, invitations, and a deep understanding. Flavor profile chefs push the boundaries of ghost creating dishes that surprise, delight, and inspire. To table tea, no bounds, inviting us to explore new tasty and texture with each meal. Emotional connection. Behind the sensory pleasure, food tasty holds and profound emotional connection for many people, evoking memories of family, gathering special occasions and chef traditions, whether in the aroma of freshly baked bread, comfort home cooked meal, food tasty has the power to transport us back in time and connect us to the moments and people that matter most in this way food tasty becomes more than just sustenance it becomes a source of comfort and joy adventure